Hi everyone, I'm Dr.Nathavat or Dr.Chui, a Feng Shui master at Hien Seng Teng School from Thailand. Today I would like to introduce you a little bit about the difference in flying star Feng Shui between San Yuan and Xuan Kong school. Of course, I'm gonna tell you that we don't have just Xuan Kong flying star, but we also have the classical San Yuan flying star. In my school, we totally separate between the principle of Xuan Kong and San Yuan. The San Yuan is the original one, but the Xuan Kong is the next generation. The both of flying star chart I show you here are the Xuan Kong. For the Xuan Kong principle now is period egg. So we have to look at the good mountain star and water star number 8, 9, and 1. The unsatisfied numbers are 2, 3, 5, and 7. For the San Yuan principle, mountain star and water star have to be matched with period star or time star. If they follow the San Yuan condition, that means mountain star or water star or both of them have a power to promote your activities. In this slide, we show how to classify the Feng Shui subject heading of the San Yuan school. Actually, we have 64 hexagram, San Yuan flying star, and Xuan Kong flying star. In the 64 hexagram, the early heaven is used as the basis to create 64 core. In the same way with 64 hexagram, San Yuan flying star come from the early heaven as well, because this chart is considered as the balancing of yin and yang in opposite directions of the parkour. For Xuan Kong flying star, the later heaven chart is applied for their basis. The conclusion is that the San Yuan used early heaven, but Xuan Kong used the later heaven. And what happened when the different heaven chart are applied to Feng Shui? The answer is we get the different lawsuit square as well. The San Yuan design the 5 elements for their lawsuit chart as follow. 1 and 6 are water element, 2 and 7 are fire element, 3 and 8 are water element, 4 and 9 are metal element, and number 5 is earth element. The elements of each number are excited from yin and yang line of the early heaven parkour. However, for the later heaven parkour, the element of each direction is excited by weather condition or the movement of the earth around the sun. So, number 1 is water element, 9 is fire element, 3 and 4 are wood element, 6 and 7 are metal element, and number 2, 5 and 8 are earth element. Only number 1, 3, and 5 are similar, but the others are different. For the theoretical observation, we found that 5 elements of the later heaven also is clearly unbalanced. So, 5 element cycles such as productive, destructive, and weekend cycles is also unbalanced. For example, 2 wood elements destroy 3 earth elements, but 3 earth elements damage just 1 water element. For the productive cycle, 3 earth elements produce 2 metal elements, but 2 metal elements produce just 1 water element, and 1 water element have to support 2 wood elements. So the all cycles are unbalanced. This is one of the weak points of applying the later heaven to Xuan Kong flying star. In the Xuan Kong, although we pay much attention to just goodness and badness of each direction of each number of 9 stars, but the interaction between mountain and water star is still important to predict the situation. So the unbalanced elements of 9 stars cause some mistakes of prediction. On the other hand, although the San Yuan have 5 elements, but they don't use 5 element cycle for their flying star. They highly focus on just the He2 combination, the combination of 5, 10, and 15, and the same number for their flying star. So the unbalancing of 5 element cycle is not their problem. The both flying star chart I show you here are Xuan Kong, not the San Yuan. But we apply the principle of San Yuan to Xuan Kong chart in order to compare them together. In the San Yuan concept, mountain star and water star have to be matched with the period star, not match each other. If they are corresponding to the He2 combination and the combination of 5, 10, and 15, and the same number, that means mountain star and water star or both of them are good for promoting your particular activities. The Xuan Kong, you look at just one number, but for the San Yuan, you have to look at 2 numbers. In fact, For my school, we have both of 24 and 64 chart of Sun Yuan flying star, depending on their detail. In the Sun Yuan flying star system, we could match people with their proper properties by looking at their date of birth. The year, month, day, and time are all taken to consider for selecting the human number or human core. We bring the proper human core to find the good direction from 24 mountains for supporting humans' destiny. All of the 24 mountains, they have their own core number. This means the human core and mountain core have to match each other. The date of birth and the house number are used to find the auspicious date for doing Feng Shui. All systems of the Sun Yuan flying star Feng Shui are numbered from 1 to 9. This is the heaven, human, earth system of the Sun Yuan flying star. Finally, I kindly tell you that we don't have just Xuan Kong flying star, but we have had the Sun Yuan flying star as well. Sun Yuan is not Xuan Kong, but Xuan Kong is the next Feng Shui generation of the Sun Yuan school. I firstly published this principle in Thailand on December 2014. No Feng Shui master in Thailand teach like this before, except in my school. I'm the first person who disclosed this principle to Feng Shui community. If you would like to know and learn more about Sun Yuan Flying Star and other Sun Yuan Feng Shui course of our school, please contact us given email and Facebook. For more information, you can download attached file at below. Thank you everyone for watching.